in the gate for the Louisiana Champions Day Turf. And they're off. Spruce's Prince breaks well. Zanotto showing good pace. Bet Now, Diggy Fresh from those inside gates. Bodacious Bob and My Pocket under early restraint. Chip Hunter over here on the stand side. Zanotto and the 11-time winner, Spruce's Prince, going out to the front. Bodacious Bob with the rails. Bet Now inside that My Pocket, Chip Hunter. Diggy Fresh, farther back Desert Wheat. And the 3-time champion turf winner, Mr. Sulu, is last. 23-4 of the opening quarter. Around the first turn. Zanotto is out in front of Bodacious Bob, now one off the fence. Spruce's Prince tracking third, My Pocket fourth. Bet Now is fifth. And 2.5 lengths back to Diggy Fresh, being rated toward the back half of the field. Chip Hunter, Mr. Sulu, and Desert Wheat now trails. They head to the half-mile pole. 4 furlongs in 48-2. Bodacious Bob now injecting more pace into Zanotto with under 4 furlongs to go. Spruce's Prince is waiting in the wings. Bet Now, My Pocket, Diggy Fresh. Chip Hunter, wide both turns. Mr. Sulu, 10 from the front, and Desert Wheat has 11 lengths to find. They round the second turn. Bodacious Bob has those blinkers just in front of Zanotto. Spruce's Prince getting closer. Bet Now, Mr. Sulu, all red around Chip Hunter. Diggy Fresh now slaloms his way between horses. Desert Wheat on the far outside. Down to the final furlong and a half. Desert Wheat over here on the stand side of Mr. Sulu. These two now in the final furlong. Spruce's Prince between horses. Diggy Fresh. Chip Hunter on the far outside. Desert Wheat strikes the front. Desert Wheat inching away from Mr. Sulu. Chip Hunter, Diggy Fresh toward the rail. Corey Lanerie and Desert Wheat. Desert Wheat has won it from Chip Hunter. Then it's close, Diggy Fresh and Mr. Sulu.